feeling my way, cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another video. So today's video is in a new location. As you guys know, we are dealing with this good old coronavirus, and I am out here quarantined at my parents' house. So this is where I'll be recording for the next couple of weeks until everything is resolved. So yes, get into the new scenery, the new surroundings. Let me know what you think, how you feeling about it. Put it in the comments, sis. All right, so we are going to jump right into another wig review. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because I got a lot of good stuff coming on the channel and I don't want you to miss out. Unit from EBONYLINE. This one is the Janet Collection Color Me unit in 6-inch deep lace wig parting. This one is Mary, and I do have this one in Orange Autumn. Is that Orange Autumn? Autumn Orange? Oh, Autumn Orange. Okay, I have this one in Autumn Orange. This one has hand-tied lace and ear-to-ear Swiss lace. I do believe I have tried a couple of wigs from this Color Me collection. I think my favorite one from the Color Me collection was Color Me Pretty, and that was the one that was very similar to this unit, but it had soft body curls in it. So it looked a lot like this unit, except it was gray at the top, and then underneath had the rainbow, whereas this one is peach at the top and has a gray rainbow at the bottom. Needless to say, I loved that wig, and if you're curious about this unit that I'm rocking, I do have a review on my channel on this one, so make sure you go ahead and click the link up here, or I will put it in the information box down below, so you can go ahead and click and watch this video as well, but make sure you finish watching this one first. All right, so taking a look at this one, the first thing that I noticed is the lace color. The lace color is definitely dark. It's like almost darker than my own skin tone. So if you are a brown sister out here, this one will work well for you. I like how the parting space is looking already. That looks good. Yeah, the part looks really good to me. This one does have baby hairs around the front already ready to go. And it does have ear-to-ear lace. Let's take a look at the cap construction. So it is a 6-inch lace part in the center. I'm sure you can shift it from side to side though. You do have two small, very small combs on either side of the hair of the parting space. You have one comb in the back, and you have your two adjustable straps, which I am just going to go ahead and strap together now, because that's what I typically always do. So let's take a look at this color. This color is absolutely gorgeous. It looks like a really, really expensive like dye job, salon dye job. It has some deep wine reddish shades. It has your dark shades at the top, your 1Bs at the top. It goes down into a nice orange shade, and then like highlights of blonde and golden at the bottom. This shade is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off of this wig and cut off the stock card. I'm going to pop her on and show you guys what it's looking like. Wow, this hair color is freaking bomb. And the way these waves are just like working out, this is really, really cute. Wow, this color in these waves in this style, really, really cute. So the only thing I'm not crazy about is the way it's lifting right here. So I'm just going to flat iron that down. But I love the movement of this wig. I love the way the curls are flowing back on each other. I love the colors, the way they're flowing together. I love how they blend down and create this beautiful cascade from dark to light. I mean, everything about this unit is fire. I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and flat iron the top down and then give my final thoughts. All right, so this is what the unit is looking like. Woo. This is what the unit is looking like right now, and I absolutely adore this unit. I think it looks amazing in terms of the color, in terms of the waves, the curl pattern. I think the density is really, really perfect. I just love this wig. Everything about this wig is bomb. Yeah, I can't say that I have any complaints on this wig. So this is the second winner from Janet Color Me collection. The first one was pretty in the pale gray rainbow unicorn shade, the light rainbow shade. That one was a win. I absolutely love that wig. And now this one, Miss Mary in autumn orange, is another win. So I absolutely love this unit. I'd love to try this autumn orange in a straight color, in a straight style, to see how that looks, because I'm obsessed with this. Like, this is bomb in so many ways. So is this wig Dragoness approved? Absolutely. I love this one. I think this is super, super dope and super, super pretty. So if you want to check out this wig and find out more about it, definitely head over to ebonyline.com. I will leave a link in the information box down below where you can go ahead and check out this unit for yourself. Thank you so much, Ebony Line, for sending this unit over. I appreciate that so much. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Before you go, do one thing for me. Share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama, okay? That's what I said. Share this video with your mother, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.